about nothing. I am wearing a nada. I'm sitting pretty.
So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve this look. Yeah, it's a Briana Marie inspired look. I did it for my birthday, which was June the 30th. Okay, for the Cancer ladies, all right. Yeah, so I decided to recreate it because I've posted it as a story on Instagram asking people if they wanted me to recreate this look, and a majority of my followers said yes. I've also posted it on Facebook and they said they wanted me to recreate it, so yeah, and this is the look. If you want to know the details about this hair, drop a comment down below and I'll tell you where I get this hair from. It came black and I colored it I bleached it and gave it this color, and I love it. It complements my face so much. Yeah, but without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, and if you like it in the end, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, because your girl needs the subscriptions. All right, anyways, into the video. Bye.
I ain't playing with you.
You are walking trophy. Girl, you are walking trophy. You are walking trophy.
So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved the look that you saw at the beginning of the video. So as you can see, I've already done my brows off camera, and now I'm just defining it, and I'm using a little bit of the LA Girl concealer in Fawn, and also the PLouise base in number 3. And I'm just using this to clean up my brows and blend it into my skin so it can rest seamlessly before I apply my transition shades. So now I'm going in with my Miss Rose highlighter to highlight my brow bones. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a gold shade and it's very pigmented. So yeah, once I've done this, I went in with the yellow shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and I'm applying this as my first layer of transition shade. Once I've done this and I got the yellow shade as intensified as I wanted to go for, I then use a red shade which will come off a little bit like an orange shade, and that would be my second transition shade. So now I'm cutting my crease with the LA Girl concealer in Classic Ivory, and yeah, I'll go off camera to let this dry, and then I'll come back and apply my colors into the crease. Stay tuned to fully watch and see how I achieve the look. going in with this white shade and I'm applying that into the inner corners of my eyes and the tear duct area, and then I'll be going in beside it with a yellow shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and I'll be blending that in with the white shade, and then I'll be defining that yellow shade with I think it's a mustard yellow shade eyeshadow that I got from NYX, and we'll be adding the final touches of the colors as we go through the video. And as you can see, the yellow shade is very pigmented, so I suggest you invest in one of these eyeshadow palettes because the colors are bomb. They give life, like seriously, look at that. I'm not going in with this orange shade. I wouldn't say it's a deep orange, but it's slightly of an orange tone, and I'm applying that beside the yellow and blending it in together, and then I'll be applying a black shade to the outer creases to just make the look a bit more dramatic. And I'm intensifying the look with this black shade, and as you can see, it makes the eyes stand out way more and the look is absolutely stunning. I'm now using my eyeliner that I got from Primark to line my lash line area before I apply my lashes. I'm now applying a little bit of Glitter Fix glue just to the yellow shade, and then I'll be adding some yellow glitter to intensify that area. So now I'm just applying these mint lashes that I got from AliExpress. I think they were about £3. Yeah, but they're very nice and they lift your eyes so much. Like, look at that. My eyes are like very small and it makes me look like I have some wide eyes, and I love these lashes so far. Okay, so I'm now going to be priming my face with the Fenty Beauty primer, and then I'll be going in, as you know, with the Fenty Beauty foundation in 410 and the shade Adjuster in dark. So I'm just blending this into the skin, and once I'm finished I'll be going in with a new concealer that I've been using recently, and I got this from Primark and it's in the shade Caramel, and I'm using this as my highlighting shade for my under eye area, my nose bridge, my Cupid's bow and my forehead area. So I'm now blending this into the skin, and once I'm happy with how it looks, I then set it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and after this my camera battery died when I set my face, so I'll be explaining everything else in the ending of the video. And in order to lift your under eye area, you want to make sure that you bake, so you can leave it on for around 2 minutes or 1 minute if you don't want it to be too defined. And yeah, this is the makeup so far. Hope you like it. This is the finished look. My camera battery died, so I didn't get all the makeup look on camera. So what I did, I used my AVON finishing powder to dust the excess setting powder off, and then I went in and contoured with a concealer in dark, I think it's dark espresso, and I defined those contoured area, which you know what it is already, the LA Girl Pro Press powder in dark cocoa. Yeah, and I just did a little highlighting. As you can see, I didn't do much highlighting today. And the lip combo I use is this purple lip liner, and then I went in with this pink, it's not even lipstick, it's a lip gloss, a pink lip gloss. And yeah, this is the finished look.